Meantime, dozens of job cuts are being recommended in Monterey County to help the county balance the budget. In March, staff identified a $36 million deficit among the proposed cuts, a reduction in the number of workers that respond to child abuse cases. Action News reporter Bianca Beltran with details live right now in Salinas. Bianca?
Well, Dan, today we heard from many employees whose work is often behind the scenes but have a big impact on the community, like social workers, and we also heard from some water chemists. They are among dozens who could soon be let go. Standing room only in the supervisor's chambers as hundreds of people waited their turn to speak up for jobs and programs that could be cut.
I really would say please reconsider that this is a threat to our health and safety.
The health department is seeing the biggest impact with more than 40 positions on the line. Among them, reductions to the unit that screens and treats infectious diseases.
In 2017, Monterey County outranked Los Angeles County in number of case rates of tuberculosis. We are 12th statewide in case rates of tuberculosis.
The proposed budget recommends cuts to a number of programs, including a lab that tests water quality, animal services, home visits, and health care for the homeless.
If our augmentation request is not approved, we'll experience a 40% reduction in our core mandated public health services. Again, less assurance to the public that they are going to be free of disease or that they are going to be recreating in water or drinking water that is safe for their consumption.
The Department of Social Services is also expected to lose 7 positions in the Children's Emergency Response Team that investigates child abuse reports. This comes after the department was directed by the state to expand investigations after the tragic deaths of Sean and Delilah Terra.
It is getting difficult to manage with the 14 social workers that we have as of now. Decreasing the amount of social workers in the emergency response unit will only continue to impact the vulnerable population we serve.
And these are just a few examples of the many departments that made their case to the board today. The Board of Supervisors has a lot to consider, and the public hearing on the budget continues tomorrow. Dan?
All right, thank you very much. Appreciate it, Bianca. If the layoffs are approved, notices would be given to employees this week and would go into effect July 1st.